Hey there, Notion enthusiasts. If you're looking to supercharge your productivity in 2025 by adding dynamic widgets to your pages, you've come to the right place. Notion has evolved, and widgets are a game changer for customizing your workspace with clocks, weather updates, calendars, and more. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to add widgets seamlessly. Let's dive in. First, make sure you're logged into your Notion account and have a page open where you want to add a widget. Widgets aren't built in like blocks, so you'll need to use an integration or a third-party tool that's compatible with Notion's latest updates. Start by heading to the Notion Marketplace or apps like Widgetbox or Indify. These are popular for 2025 and allow you to browse and select widgets directly. Once you've chosen a widget app, install it by clicking the Add to Notion button. This will prompt you to authorize access. Now, go back to your Notion page and type the / command to open the block menu. Search for Embed or Widget. Depending on the app, you might see options like Embed URL or a specific widget block. Paste the embed code or URL provided by the widget app into the field that appears. Hit Enter, and voila, your widget should appear on the page. To customize it, click on the widget block and look for settings icons. You can adjust size, position, or even refresh data. For example, if it's a calendar widget, you might link it to your Google Calendar for real-time updates. Pro tip: keep your widgets minimal to avoid clutter. Aim for ones that align with your daily workflow, like a to-do list or a habit tracker. One common issue is compatibility. Ensure your Notion app is updated to the 2025 version for smooth integration. If things go wrong, double-check permissions or try clearing your cache. There you have it. Adding widgets to Notion is straightforward and can make your setup way more interactive. Give it a try today, and let me know in the comments how it transforms your pages. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more Notion tips. Thanks for watching.